12, I think, is the highest.
Lift B.
Oh,
Is that a radio? Yes, it is.
oh, lovely. So we've got to keep talking so that we don't have to worry about copyright. Or at least I do. We've put these rather boring generic indicators in with arrows that don't spin properly. Oh, crap, they're stopping.
Yeah. But whoever it is, they're gone. Schindler M series, I think.
Oh yeah, Schindler. Yeah, right.
I think the radio talk usually isn't copyright.
Well, this is also here because this is the Radio New Zealand building.
Yeah,
So
probably.
that's why they've got the radio in here.
Probably just going up.
Yes. It does still feel weird though being in a lift and having the radio playing. It's just not something that you normally hear, is it?
Yeah.
At least I don't.
It's not exactly
You
the
can
same
see out
thing.
there though that outside they just got a normal call button. So
Yeah, this is
it's a weird setup.
It's just to save money basically because the whole thing being KONE Polaris would
It's-
cost a lot of money.
I know, but it's kind of like, why bother having Polaris then? If you're only going to put Polaris on the ground level, then why bother putting it in the first place?
It's the most important one. Obviously.
Well, good thing they weren't getting in because they look important in their suits.
Yeah.
Oh,
Unfortunately,
dear.
not nearly important in this.
The indicator's got
1,360 kilograms, 20 persons. I think that's £3,000.
yeah. The indicator's got a lovely picture of Wellington on it. Oh, they do talk.
Yep. Only doesn't seem. It seems to only be floors now.
Yeah. It's just a shame that these.
Actually,
Yeah.
-1 is quite interesting. -1.
So this is the only time in NZ I've seen these buttons light up in orange. You don't normally find orange here.
So I was just.
I thought that would be an indicator. It just shows you the code.
Yeah, it shows you where it's going, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's the whole point of Polaris.
Anyway.
Oh well. We've worked out that we think these were originally Schindler.
Oh.
If you look at the door track. Anyway, I'm done.